For today's recipe, I've taken 250 grams of green brinjal and I've soaked it in salt water to prevent discoloration. I'm then going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. After adding the oil, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Along with that, I'm also going to add 1 stick of curry leaves. After cooking it for about 1 minute, I'm then going to add 2 finely chopped onions. I'm then going to stir this really well. I'm then going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the tomatoes become into a golden brown color. After 4 minutes, I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm then going to mix this and let this cook until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, I'm then going to add 2 tomatoes to it. Along with that, I'm also going to add 1 green chilli. I'm then going to stir tomatoes and the green chilies with the onions. After mixing it, I'm going to add the salt as per taste. I'm then going to stir this and let this cook until the tomatoes become nice and soft. Once the tomatoes have become soft, I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm now going to mix this really well with the onions and tomatoes and let this cook another 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, I'm then going to add the brinjal to it. Now after adding all the pieces of the brinjal, I'm then going to mix this with the onions and tomatoes. After mixing the brinjal with the onions and the tomatoes, I'm then going to add 1 cup of water to it. Along with the water, I'm then going to add half a tablespoon of garam masala powder and a little bit of salt. And I'm then going to mix this really well with the brinjal, the onions and tomatoes. After mixing it well, I'm then going to cover this with a lid and let it cook until the brinjal becomes soft. Once the brinjal becomes soft, now you can check the salt for taste and you can adjust it accordingly. And after that, you can add the coriander leaves to garnish it. After adding the coriander leaves, you can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.